close so I can do this. Are we hearing or ballet? Okay, I'm ready. Ready?
Touch Mom did this.
You're fit.
I am not.
Am I that bad? Am I that bad? Okay, let's practice real quick before you look at me. Stay over there. Stay over there. Don't look at me. Practice. Okay. You're watching me. Okay, hold on.
You're an embarrassment, Mom. Don't do it. I see your butt.
Like that?
No.
Show me again one more time.
I'll show you where to say.
Okay. Alright, you go show me. I'm good. Okay. Alright, you spun that way. Hop back over here in my zone. Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's kind of like ballet karate.
Right. Okay, here I go. Ready? Are you watching me? Ready? Ballet karate. I can't do it. Is there some kind of cut me off?
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
3, wait.
Okay, I'm over here. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Don't worry about him. Okay. I don't know. I didn't do the first part, so I know I can't do that. Okay.
Someone's gone.
Try that.
Do it.